sexual offences are prevalent, contribute to the largest number of cases listed for hearing.
That was Director of Public Prosecutions, Ms. Shalimar Ali Haq, Senior Counsel during her address on Tuesday at opening of the April Demerara Assizes 2022. Males are predominantly the accused in the case of the sexual offences, which include carnal knowledge of a girl under 15, carnal knowledge of a girl under 12, robbery, rape, indecent assault of a male, sexual activity with a child family member, sexual activity with a child by abusing a position of trust, sexual assault, and incest. After a 2-year hiatus because of the deadly COVID-19 pandemic, the ceremonial march past by ranks of the Guyana Police Force to mark the opening of the various sessions of the Demerara Criminal Assizes recommenced on Tuesday morning in observance of Law Week 2022, which is under the theme Advancing the Rule of Law in the New Normal. President of the Guyana Bar Association and Attorney at Law, Ms. Pauline Chase, emphasized the importance of maintaining law and order in Guyana, notwithstanding the fact that the law must be administered in an impartial manner.
We are well aware that without the rule of law, there is anarchy. It is the bedrock on which good society rests.
Attorney General and Minister of Legal Affairs, Mahabir Anil Nanlal, Senior Counsel, congratulated all members of the judiciary for their relentless efforts during the pandemic in delivering justice throughout Guyana. Nanlal is of the opinion that the legal fraternity acquitted itself with great distinction in serving the Guyanese people during the March 2020 regional and general elections. Additionally, as a result of the installation of virtual courts, the alacrity in the delivery of court hearings for the fate of prisoners were achieved by this initiative, the Attorney General opined.
Going forward, today it seems that COVID-19 is in a decline, and some would say we are slowly returning to the way things were, to normal. Well, I say that we should never return to the way things were. And I say that a blend of what obtained before coupled with the system which we have implemented should form an integral part of the new normal to propel the machinery of justice.
354 cases are listed for hearing at the April Demerara Assizes, namely 75 offences of murder, manslaughter, as well as sexual offences, attempted murder, infliction of grievous bodily harm, drug trafficking, abduction, obtaining money by false pretense, conspiracy to commit a felony, robbery under arms, conspiracy to commit murder, wrongful confinement for ransom and accessory after the fact. Justice Sandale Kisoon, alongside Madam Justice Joanne Barlow and Madam Justice Priya C. Narayan Bihari, are expected to preside during the April 2022 session. During the October session of 2021, the Demerara Assizes recorded the completion of 12 of 341 cases. Also giving remarks at this momentous occasion were Chief Justice Roxanne George, CCHSC, Chancellor of the Judiciary, Justice Yannick Cummins Edwards, who jointly articulated that no one is above the law, and attorneys at law are mandated to administer the law with impartiality. The Demerara Assizes is a session or sitting at the Supreme Court which is designed to hear trials from the jury. This is Antonio Day reporting for HGP 90 News.